Wait a minute. Wait a minute. You know, this is, excuse me, a damn fine cup of coffee.
BOSE SoundLink Revolve is what you just saw get unpacked. A speaker done by BOSE with 360 sound, so meaning that whatever angle you're standing around the speaker, whatever side, the quality is equal to what it is at any side really. So it's 360 sound, so it doesn't matter where you're standing, it'll sound the same over here to over there, to behind, to front, a little bit to the side, whatever it may be, it will sound the same. This is BOSE's first attempt at 360 audio, I believe, especially from my time of reviewing speakers through BOSE and looking at speakers. It comes in a plus size as well, which is a little bit bigger up here. I just got the small one for the moment, but for now, let's just review and have a little listen to sound quality on here. So let's do the first thing, let's get it paired and set up. It doesn't come with any charge, so I just have to give it a little bit of boost just so I can do the review quickly. Press the play button.
Low. Please charge now. Ready to pair.
There you go, ready to pair. So you can see that if your battery is running low, you do actually get a red flashing light as opposed to the blue light that standard comes up. But let's just jump straight into it. I'll do as normal, I'll do a 50%, 75% and 100% volume test. And then we'll kind of have a little chat about it. We'll start off on 50%. Then we'll go to 75%. Finally, 100%. So the SoundLink Revolve is coming in at £180. So that's a sound test for you. I don't know what you thought of it, but in my opinion, I think it's quite lacking. For £180, I think the volume's lacking. I think the bass is there. I think the crisp bass by BOSE, which is normally something I believe that BOSE pride themselves on, the sound quality of the bass, always there for BOSE. But I mean, I don't know, I just wanted it to be a bit louder. I guess if that was to go for the plus option, that's what I'll be receiving. If I was to go bigger, it would be more louder. But I mean, for £180, the only thing you're really getting is the 360 audio. I mean, I reviewed the SoundLink Micro and it's only £100 and it was waterproof. And I believe the sound output was actually the same, if not better in some cases. I know 360 audio is quite a big thing now, but I mean, you see, if you angle a speaker at the right direction anyway, you're gonna get quite impact into a room, because realistically 360 would be beneficial if it was right in the middle of the room and everyone was walking around on that one point. Because if you were to have a corner of a room and you pointed it in a certain direction like that, for example, when that's front facing, it would still blow all the volume into that space of the room. So, I mean, these are good if you have nice big open plan houses and you're in a kitchen and you put it in the middle and everyone's dancing around the kitchen, or if there's a party. I wouldn't necessarily recommend these at parties, it's not loud enough, it's more for like social gatherings or just for privately outside. I mean, this is good for like the garden or something like that, but I mean, there's better out there, especially for 360 audio. I believe there is some better products out there. But I'm not going to completely slay it. Because the audio is still quite good. I just believe that the output is just not quite there for its price. Again, you can pair these up, and then if they're paired, they might produce some better quality of sound. But again, this is BOSE's first 360 audio. I believe they can only get better with their products. I believe there's better BOSE products out there. I wouldn't completely write these off. If you're a big avid BOSE fan, these won't let you down, but I just wouldn't be putting these 100% as my number one 360 audio portable speakers of choice. I would believe there's quite a few things out there. I spoke in a previous video about the UE booms. I believe that they're better than these. Just because as well they had a feature on the UE booms, it will allow you to submerge it in water, which makes it ideal for traveling. The UE booms are also dust proof, damage proof as well, and it's just the UE booms are more practical in some terms, in some respect. But overall, again, like I said, if you're a BOSE follower, if you're an avid BOSE buyer, I wouldn't write these off. I just believe there's better products out there. But BOSE are onto something. You're onto something. You're not quite there. This is not the finished article. And I mean, any company, I believe, in technology, when they bring out their first product in a tested area that they haven't been in before, their product is never the strong winner. It takes a couple of years, or it may take a couple of products along the line and a couple of reviews, feedback from people for it to kind of be the complete article. But I'm not writing these off, they're just not my number one choice of 360 audios. But like I say to everyone, and I will always say these in my technology review videos, because a lot of stores, Curry's, PC World, John Lewis, anywhere else that sells kind of technology product, they will let you have a little test on these, have a little play around, and then you can kind of have your own judgment, because you always have to remember when you're watching reviews, it's coming from the speaker to a microphone and out of your computer speakers, and the music translation or the audio translation is always distorted. So I always recommend you going and try these out. But these are the BOSE SoundLink Revolve. Let me know what you think of them, and as always, write your comments in the section below. Remember to give this video a like and a thumbs up. And if you do enjoy my videos, make sure you subscribe to follow me for further things in the future. All the best, people. Keep it real.